What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays video. My name is Tina Daly, and today we'll be going through another one of these exercises where I'll be just doing a random design in Illustrator so that we can learn some new tricks or techniques, hopefully, and get the hang of Illustrator, the journey to becoming a master using this application, and also a master designer as well, because these skills will definitely um, transcend applications, transcend Adobe applications indeed. All right, guys, let's get right into it. All right, so let's do this, guys. So for this week, I'm thinking of turning the Apple logo golden. Let's try a golden kind of design. Um, let's see how best we can achieve this here. All right, so I don't want a stroke. I want the fill to have the gradients. I'm gonna change it to a goldish color right now. All right, so I trust you everyone's been doing great. I trust that someone has been learning from my series Freestyle Mondays. Yeah. I've been enjoying the journey so far. I think I'm getting better, but perhaps it's too early to say. But it's been fun, guys. Not gonna lie, it's been fun. Alright, so I'm gonna try and add a stroke. Well, kind of like a bevel. Let me just say bevel. So I want to add some dark parts and then some light parts. Let me see which one of these is the best. Okay, that's not bad. Let me just extend this. Oh yeah, I know what I gotta do. Let me just increase the stroke amount. Not sure what I'm going for yet. Maybe like a gold type of plate, but I'm just freestyling at the moment. I'm gonna pay a lot more attention to the time here, guys, because last week was crazy. Over 30 minutes. That was not what I intended. So, gotta do better next time, you know? Alright, how's that looking so far? right, gold. I love gold. I hope you do too. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do with this. Alright, so what I want to do here is that I'm gonna add a highlight to this. I'm gonna add a highlight using shapes. So let me see, I'm thinking of cutting it like that. And all right, so that's gonna size down a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the gradient to add the highlight. So you know, as you see here, I'm just lowering the opacity of one of the color stops. Let me try screen, and then I'm going to change the direction here. So I just hit G for the gradient tool. You know, just a little soft highlight, nothing too crazy. Alright, so I want to do that one more time, but this time I'm gonna add a shadow at the bottom. But let me do it a little bit more better this time, because I don't think I handled the shape part right at first. So let me just size it down a little bit using offset path. But right there looks good. And then also to do a slice, I can use the knife tool here and just draw a nice slice like that. Alright, so let me try this shape instead. Oops, that's not what I want. See, it's good to know your tools. There's always an easier, better way of doing things in Illustrator. You don't have to make things difficult. Not every time you need to grab for the, you know, I kind of like the both highlights at the end, so I'm definitely not gonna go for a shadow at the bottom, seeing that my gradient already has a shadow. So I just need to get this under control. And I'm liking how it looks so far, guys. I believe we're almost done here. As I said, I don't want to go overboard. I think I'm gonna go for at least another 3 or 4 minutes on the clock. Alright, so let me just size that down a little bit. Not by 30, that's too much. Around 20 points. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna copy that and create a new shape. So Shift M, that brings up the shape builder tool, and you can just quickly create a new shape when I select both of those. All right. How's it looking, guys? I think I'm just gonna stop it right there for this week's freestyle. Um, as I progress through this series, definitely it will become more complex. This is my fourth video on the subject matter so far, and this is where I'm at. I'm sure by the time I reach 30, 40, it will be levels ahead of what I'm doing right now. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let all your friends know what's going on this side. There's a guy that's trying to be like Bruce Lee, you know, 10,000 kicks to mastery. All right. Thanks again, guys, for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye.